In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bars pattern in TradingView, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started. Learning to utilize the bars pattern tool can enhance your technical analysis by helping you better predict market trends. This tool essentially allows you to replicate and study segments of historical price movements, aiding in the forecasting future price action. To get started, you'll want to be logged into your TradingView account and have your chart open. Let's begin by identifying where the forecasting and measurement tools are located. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of your TradingView interface. You should find a toolbar there. This toolbar hosts numerous tools pertinent to trading, but our focus will be on the icon resembling a ruler or compass. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu of the available measurement and forecasting tools. Next, scroll through the list until you find bars pattern. This option might be nestled among other useful tools such as the long and short position tools, so it might take a moment to spot. Once located, simply click on it to activate the bars pattern tool. It's worth noting that the bars pattern tool allows you to highlight a sequence of bars, effectively letting you copy historical price actions that you find interesting or relevant for your analysis. Now that you've activated the tool, choose a starting point on your chart. When you're selecting a point, think about the beginning of a movement or pattern you're keen to analyze. Pinpointing the inception of a movement can often provide a clearer insight into price trends, making your analysis more comprehensive. Click on your chosen starting point, which will anchor the bars pattern tool, signifying where you'll start capturing the price movement. The next step involves dragging your cursor across the chart. You'll do this by clicking and holding the mouse button down as you move from your starting point to the desired endpoint. As you're dragging, you'll notice a line forming on the chart. This line represents the section of the price action you're choosing to analyze. Be intentional about where you end the selection, as this final point will determine the scope of the data you're considering. Once you've selected your range, simply release the mouse button. Doing so will complete the action, and you'll see the bars pattern appear right on your chart. This visible overlay mirrors the selected price segment, providing a handy reference or comparative tool for future predictions or pattern studies. You can now utilize this pattern to anticipate similar movements in upcoming trading sessions. It's really as straightforward as that. With the bars pattern now applied, you have a powerful way to visualize and anticipate price movements based on past behaviors, equipping you with the insights needed to make more informed trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time getting familiar with the tool's nuances. Happy trading!